Hi, in the next section, we'll be covering installation. So there are many implementations of K8s. There are full-blown K8s services like EKS, GKE, Azure Kube Services. So EKS stands for Elastic Kubernetes Service, and GKE is the Google's Kubernetes engine, and K3S, K3D, RK2, Kind, and Minikube. My personal favorite is K3S and K3D. These are meant for single host deployment of Kubernetes. And even within these two, my personal favorite is K3D. K3D is K3S on a Docker container. So these are the three softwares that must be installed. One is Docker, and then the K3D, which is a server piece, and we need to install Kubectl, which is a client piece. So go to the Docker engine, and you need to install the Docker engine, and you need to select the operating system. Mine is macOS, so I can just download the Docker desktop for Mac with Apple Silicon, and it installs the DMG file on my machine. Same goes for the Windows, and again Windows will have a desktop application, so you can just download it and run it. So that's with the installation of Docker engine. So the next piece that we need to install is K3D. K3D installation is fairly simple. All you need to do is just run this one single command, and it installs the K3D for you, the server Kubernetes server for you. It's fairly simple. I mean, all you need to do is just run this single command, and it installs the entire Kubernetes server for you. So coming to the next piece, we need to install the client piece also, which is a Kubectl. So just go to the link. Again, select your operating system, which is a Mac OS, and you need to run this single command that installs the client piece, the Kubectl piece. So it's fairly straightforward. You can see installing server is a single command, installing client is a single command. That makes your journey to Kubernetes much easier. That's it with the installation, and in next session we'll be covering pods, which is a fundamental unit of Kubernetes engine.